The NSK ep1410a15-05 is a closed-loop Megatorque Servo Drive used in a Strasbaugh 6D DS SP CMP system. At ERD, we receive far more of the Applied Materials CMP Driver ep1410a15-05 than the older 14-inch Strasbaugh system, but we do still see them from time to time. These drivers are fully rebuilt, just like the 8-inch version, and then fully tested. However, we use our 8-inch motor for the final test, which the driver does properly run, but it may make some weird noises. At ERD, we have decades of experience working on all NSK motor controllers, and we are the first place you should reach out to for any issues with these products. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.